Breaking news live from tech headquarters. The best router ever? We'll see. Stay tuned. Design. Now, John, I'm told that the design of these routers, the Netgear 6700, is very sleek. As you can see, it has a glossy finish with some design on the top, has LED lights and a USB 3.0 port on the front. The back has the gigabit ports, the Ethernet port, and the power on and off switch, as well as the power adapter. Features. So John, the Wi-Fi on the Nighthawk 6700 has great speed, range, and reliability. It has the world's fastest Wi-Fi, up to 450 on the 2.4 gigahertz band and up to 1300 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band via AC 1750. Now, the gigabit Wi-Fi, the gigabit wired, all are helped by the dual core processor that is at 1 gigahertz for performance. With simultaneous dual band technology on the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz band, now all your devices can connect, whether it's on wireless AC or the older standards, wireless G. Advanced QoS downstream and upstream helps automatically recognize and prioritize streaming and gaming applications to help your Xbox, PS4, or gaming computer get the highest bandwidth possible, or if you're streaming in 4K or anything else, helping those devices get the highest bandwidth possible and limiting bandwidth for other devices. Airtime fairness prevents network lag when slower devices connect, and beamforming technology speeds up reliability and the range of the Wi-Fi. So as you can tell, gaming and streaming are going to be the main priorities for this device if you set it up so. But this device is so strong that I have not had to set up any QoS for any of my devices, as each device has had more than enough speed and the Wi-Fi range is optimal for large homes with its 3 high decibel antennas. And so as everyone knows, Netgear has always done a really great job with security features. So some of the features are VPN support to help secure your access network. Also, parental controls to keep those snooping kids out of naughty websites. Guest network access to keep your files and your network secure from other guests. Secure Wi-Fi connections with WPA2. And a personal FTP server customized with a free URL. So once again, folks, this router is going to be primarily for heavy hardcore users. Okay, if you're streaming videos on Kodi, if you're streaming videos on Amazon Prime, Hulu, or Netflix, if you have IPTV, if you game heavily on your Xbox, your PS4, your Nintendo Switch, or your PC, this router is going to be for you to provide the most optimum lag-free experience that you can find. Now back to you, John. Speed testing. Alright guys, I'm at the Xbox. I have the Netgear 5G band hooked up. I have figured out how to get IPv6, which will be in my setup video. But first, let's go ahead and run a detailed network statistics speed test. Work a little magic. Boom. Okay, so the download speed is pretty good at 116.44 megabits per second. Upload is at 10.39 megabits per second. 1% packet loss. Latency is at 35 seconds, and wireless strength is at 100%. Alright guys, so I'm here at Speakeasy Speed Test. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run this speed test just so we have 2 different means on which to speed test the router. Both are on the Xbox. One is through the web browser and one is through the Xbox's own network's statistics. So as you can see, the router is fighting to get higher into the teens. It looks like it's going to clock out at 118. So the download speed is 118.80 megabits per second. The upload speed is definitely struggling here, and it is staying at a constant 5.8 megabits per second. Alright guys, this has been the review for the Netgear Nighthawk AC1750 Smart Wi-Fi Router. Now this router is perfect again for heavy gaming and heavy 4K streaming on all your devices. This router runs on Amazon roughly $90 and it has great features. Now if you cannot afford this router, there is a cheaper alternative. If you go to my channel and watch the Tenda AC18 router review, that router gets the same performance at a lower cost and less features.